Hi, my name is Richard Nance. I sell used trucks. Today, I have a 2020 Peterbilt 579 day cab tractor with a 180-inch wheelbase. This truck features an MX engine, 455 horsepower, Paccar TX12 automated transmission. Just come out of our detail shop. All services are up to date with a fresh PM and DOT inspection. This truck features a 279 rear ratio, green in color, only 290,500 miles. This make a great truck in addition to your fleet. The bank will love this truck because of the miles. Please call Richard Nance, 336-663-2891. Thank you.